Welcome to this complete Miami, Florida travel guide. We'll visit beach, explore Little Havana, and stop at the Miami Seaquarium. We'll admire Windward Walls, shop at the Bayside Marketplace, and enjoy the Vizcaya Museum. Additionally, we'll venture through Jungle Island, tour the Miami Design District, and conclude at the Everglades National Park. So buckle up as we embark on this exciting journey through the vibrant city of Miami. Our first stop is the iconic South Beach, a must-visit for any Miami traveler. This radiant locale, teeming with life, encompasses a variety of cultures. Imagine strolling along sandy shores, the rhythmic sound of waves your soothing soundtrack. The sun's radiance paints a vibrant canvas of warmth overhead. Come nightfall, the energetic nightlife awakens, transforming the serene beach into a pulsating party hub. Picture yourself in dynamic nightclubs or upscale restaurants, experiencing a diverse culinary repertoire from Cuban delicacies to fresh seafood. A sanctuary for beach enthusiasts and nightlife addicts alike, South Beach has something for everyone. Next on our list is the Art Deco Historic District, a treasure trove of 1930s architecture. Nestled in Miami's heart, it is a vibrant glimpse of the past's elegance. Hosting over 800 preserved buildings, it's the largest Art Deco worldwide. Each building a masterpiece adorned with unique shapes, rounded corners and vivid hues. This district unfolds the story of Miami's evolution. Every year, the Art Deco Weekend Festival revitalizes the area, celebrating its history with vintage shows, classic auto displays, and informative guided tours. This walking journey through the district is stepping back in history, immersing you in the allure of the 1930s. Now let's explore Little Havana, the vibrant heart of Miami's Cuban community. A lively and colorful neighborhood, its streets are adorned with striking murals depicting Cuban culture. Cal Ocho, a renowned avenue, is a hub of Cuban traditions. The tantalizing aroma of Cuban coffee wafts through the air, complemented by the sight of traditional hand-rolled cigars in local tobacco shops. Salsa rhythms from street musicians to the ambience. Experience Cuban culinary delights, including iconic Cuban sandwich and flavorful flan. Little Havana is a slice of Cuba in the heart of Miami, offering an authentic cultural experience. Our next stops include the Miami Seaquarium, Windward Walls, and Bayside Marketplace. First up, we hit the Miami Seaquarium, an oceanic haven boasting a rich diversity of marine life. This park houses a myriad of underwater species, from sociable dolphins to awe-inspiring orcas, offering spectators an unforgettable journey into the aquatic world. An interactive adventure that allows you to marvel at the splendor of the vast ocean in a close and personal setting. Next on our agenda is the vibrant Windward Walls, an alfresco art museum enriched with electrifying murals. This once overlooked neighborhood now stands transformed into a testament to human imagination. The walls, alive with vivid hues and intricate patterns, narrate stories of creativity and artistic prowess. A walk through this neighborhood feels like stepping into a living, breathing art piece. Its vibrancy washes over you in an intoxicating wave of colors. Lastly, we make our way to the bustling Bayside Marketplace, a spirited shopping hub offering a plethora of options for shopaholics and food lovers alike. With an array of over 100 stores and restaurants, the marketplace promises a diverse choice for every visitor. Not just a shopping venue, it's also a cultural hotspot, hosting live music performances that infuse your day with Miami's signature salsa rhythm. The marine life at the Seaquarium, the creative burst at Windward Walls, and the lively vibe at Bayside Marketplace capture the multifaceted character of Miami. Each destination offers a unique perspective into the city's charm, embodying the rhythm, colors, and flavors that make Miami distinctive. So come, get a taste of the Miami lifestyle, where every day is a vivacious celebration of existence. Because in Miami, every day is a celebration of life. We continue our tour with the Vizcaya Museum and Gardens, Jungle Island, and the Miami Design District. We take our first steps towards the Vizcaya Museum and Gardens, a meticulously preserved mansion of the past. The estate reflects the grandeur of Miami's affluent past. The architecture is a feast for the eyes, reminiscent of opulent European works of art. The sprawling gardens are equally mesmerizing, with their beautifully manicured hedges and exotic flora, making it one of the city's most exquisite treasures. Moving on, we find ourselves in the heart of the city, stepping into Jungle Island. This urban oasis in the midst of the buzzing city is a sanctuary for wildlife. It's home to a variety of exotic creatures. Mischievous monkeys swing from tree to tree, radiant flamingos strut along the water's edge, and countless other species roam freely. The park provides an escape from the city's hustle and bustle, offering an adventure that goes beyond a simple stroll in the park. Our final destination is the Miami Design District. This dynamic and vibrant neighborhood is a paradise for anyone with an eye for fashion and art. It boasts a plethora of designer boutiques, high-end art galleries, and groundbreaking architectural structures. This district is a hotspot where creativity meets luxury, attracting art enthusiasts and fashionistas alike. Whether you're a history buff fascinated by the grandeur of the past, a nature enthusiast seeking to connect with the wild, or a lover of art and fashion seeking an immersive, these destinations have much to offer. The Vizcaya is a time capsule of history. Jungle Island provides a unique interaction with wildlife, and the Miami Design District is your gateway to the world glamour and art. From history and wildlife to fashion and design, these places offer a taste of Miami's rich diversity. Lastly, no visit to Miami would be complete without a trip to the Everglades National Park. This dazzling expanse, covering over 1 million acres, hosts a unique ecosystem. Here, marshlands, mangroves and wetlands coexist, brimming with life. Picture alligators, herons and manatees thriving naturally. The Everglades, a wildlife-rich wonder. The best way to experience this? An airboat tour, guided by an expert, navigate waterways, meet wildlife and understand this fragile ecosystem. It's a sanctuary for nature enthusiasts, adrenaline junkies, or anyone who values Earth's splendor. The Everglades National Park offers a thrilling adventure into the wild side of Miami. That wraps up our tour of Miami. We've savored South Beach's sun, admired the Art Deco district, and experienced Little Havana's culture. We've explored Miami Seaquarium, marveled at Windward Walls, and shopped at Bayside Marketplace. We've visited Vizcaya Museum, encountered Jungle Island's wildlife, and appreciated the Miami Design District. Lastly, we ventured into Everglades National Park, home to diverse wildlife and landscapes. From beaches to wildlife, Miami promises an unforgettable experience. Until next time, safe travels. For those of you traveling with kids, or those who are young at heart, we have a special place can't be missed: the Miami Children's Museum, a vast treasure of interactive exhibits. This facility captivates the imagination. With 14 galleries, each depicting different real-world scenarios, it's an invitation to explore. From art to cooking, there's a program for every explorer. The museum's unique approach engages children, their curiosity and creativity. It's a playground for the mind, where learning is made fun and engaging. Central to its mission, the museum believes in the power of play in learning. The Miami Children's Museum is more than a museum. It's a world of wonder waiting to be discovered. As we near the end of our journey, let's make one final stop at a place truly shrouded in mystery: the Coral Castle. Built by Edward Leeds Culnin, this wonder reflects an extraordinary feat of human accomplishment. Despite his modest stature, Edward single-handedly moved and carved over 1,100 tons of coral rock. The castle's creation, without modern tools, adds to the enigma. It's an architectural mastery, fascinating sculptures, a testament to human ingenuity. This marvel, located in Miami, captures the intrigue of its construction story while offering an aesthetic experience. Its unique charm and enigmatic creation make it a must-visit spot in Miami, offering a blend of history, mystery, and beauty that leaves every visitor fascinated.